of course, now that we've stopped our instance, let's go ahead and start the instance. And just like you'd suspect, EC2 start instance. And we'll start them based on the instance IDs. I think in the lesson, oh, that's not the ID. A lesson that we'll come up with shortly will be how to autocomplete these, because it's a pain to type them all out. However, let's go back to our console and just grab that. Now you can do this through the CLI. You can find all of your instance IDs, the names, all the attributes, but just for now, we're just going to copy that and start her up. And again, if you are paying attention, this has not been working. This 187, it is no longer ours. It is not a static IP address. So we start it. Now it's going to take who knows how long. If we go back to the console, we're going to see, especially if we refresh it, that it's going to say something like starting or something like that, running, initializing. You see it says initializing. Public IP, it does give us a public IP already, so you could copy that and plug it in and just see if it, yep, it's already working. So, but notice it's a 220 last three, not 187. So you have a dynamic IP every time you restart, refresh, instantiate, everything but reboot will give you a new IP address. Okay, so reboot does not give you a different IP. It'll be the same IP. So as long as your server's running, you'll have that same IP. But the moment you stop it or terminate and reinitiate it, you will get a new IP address, and that matters. Who's tracking these? Who's keeping track of them? Which component, which other component are you interacting with that needs to know the exact IP address? Are we going to allow Amazon to keep track of when they change, or do you want something static? So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create a static IP called an elastic IP. And it's pretty cool. It'll definitely allow you to keep your IP, those numbers, the same every time, no matter what.